unvaccinated people infected with a Delta variant after vaccination may be contagious and spread the virus to others.
Today, the CDC is out with new mask-wearing guidelines as the Delta variant continues to spread across the U.S. The health agency reversing course, asking some Americans to wear masks indoors where COVID-19 infections are surging, regardless of their vaccination status.
And the CDC is recommending students, teachers, and staff wear masks when they return to the classroom this fall. Rob Olson joins us live from an elementary school in Richfield. So, Rob, this wasn't a surprise to some of the people that you talked to.
Well, I talked to a handful of parents and a teacher on summer break, all elementary age, and they said they just figured that masks would be part of the school equipment regardless because of kids 12 and under not being able to be vaccinated. Now with the CDC recommending across the board, all ages, staff, everybody, regardless of vaccination, wear a mask, well, they said considering the circumstances, also not a surprise move.
Now into the second half of summer break and life looking essentially normal, it certainly felt as if the bulk of the pandemic was behind us.
Here we go again. Yeah.
Angela Chan said she'd already planned to send her own young kids back to school with masks regardless, and her 9-year-old agrees.
Well, sometimes I like not wearing them because then I can breathe a lot better, but otherwise I feel safe wearing them.
Now recommending masks for all, K through 12, regardless of vaccination status, seems to her the smart thing to do.
Well, I think with the variant, it's a whole new set of circumstances now. And I feel like unless we start taking these steps necessary to protect our neighbors and our classmates, our peers, it's just going to keep happening.
The Minnesota Department of Education tells me they'll come out with mask guidance for districts in the next several days. They're waiting for guidance from the Minnesota Department of Health's schools team. At this point, they expect whatever their guidance is, it would be recommendations, not requirements.
Being an elementary teacher, I was expecting it, and I mean the kids, they got used to it. It was part of a norm for them.
Jenna Vogt is an elementary teacher enjoying a day at the beach and astounded how it now feels we're suddenly going backwards.
I mean, I just had my wedding and I was really lucky, but now I think if I were still planning my wedding right now, I'd be a little nervous with this variant.
And for Angie, masks, she says, are one part of turning the trend back around.
Vaccinations for everyone.
I reached out to a number of districts today, connected only though with a couple. Many didn't get back to me. Those I talked to say that, again, they're waiting for the guidance from the Minnesota Department of Education and Health, who are in turn, waiting. They're talking to the CDC to formulate what their recommendations are. So everything basically comes downhill. The districts say that they'll figure out here, based on that guidance, what they're going to tell their parents and their schools to do. St. Paul Schools was more specific than that, saying that they will have guidance out on or about August 10th. That's 2 weeks from now. Of course, school a little bit more than a month away, so you've got a little bit of time to play with. Live in Richfield, Rob Olson, Fox 9.